How to fix no eSIM error on iPhone. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the no eSIM error on your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone or iPad can often resolve software glitches that may be causing the SIM card issue. Press and hold the power button until your device shuts down. Then wait a few seconds before turning it back on. Then go to Settings. Tap General and then About and check if an update is available. If an update is available, select OK or Update to install it. If your iPhone has a physical SIM card, remove the SIM card from the SIM tray and reinsert it. Ensure that the SIM tray is fully closed and not loose. If you have a SIM tray from another iPhone or iPad model or another phone manufacturer, it may not fit properly. If your iPhone has a physical SIM card and you've completed the previous steps, try using a different SIM card. This step can help identify if the issue is specific to your current SIM card or if it's a problem with your iPhone SIM card slot. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact your carrier to confirm that you have an active plan and to troubleshoot any error messages. If you have an eSIM, contact your carrier for assistance. For eSIM issues specifically, reach out to your carrier for assistance, as they may help resolve activation problems and provide guidance on using your eSIM effectively. As a last resort, you can try restoring your iPhone to its factory settings. This will erase all data on your device, so make sure to back up your iPhone before doing so. To factory reset your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on General and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode or Apple ID password if prompted. If you have an eSIM, you can choose to keep it or erase it. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few minutes. After the reset, your iPhone will be restored to its original factory settings, and you can then restore your data from a backup.